Hey guys, Johnny here from TechMajesty.com. Today I'll be showing you how to unlock your Net 10 and Total Wireless Samsung Galaxy S20. I'll be showing you how to unlock it step by step through this easy process. Now I'm going to show you this on the Samsung S20, but this method will work on the Samsung S20 Plus, Samsung S20 Ultra, and all other Net 10 and Total Wireless Samsung phones as well. Our Net 10 and Total Wireless Samsung Unlock will unlock any Samsung phone regardless of any outstanding balances, financing, blacklist status, contracts, etc. What makes our Net 10 and Total Wireless Samsung Unlock special is the ability for the phone to be used both domestically in the US and internationally with any GSM carrier. What that means is that once we unlock your Net 10 and Total Wireless Samsung phone, you can use it with any GSM carrier in the US. For example, AT&T, T-Mobile, Metro PCS, Simple Mobile, Cricket, Straight Talk, etc. can all be used on your Samsung phone once we unlock it. Besides being able to use the phone in the US, you can use your phone with any GSM carrier of your choice internationally as well. The unlock will not affect your warranty, it will increase the resale value of your phone, and you'll be able to use the phone with any GSM carrier of your choice. To unlock the phone, you will need a Windows computer and a USB cable. Now that we have all that ready, let's begin. The first thing we will need is the 15-digit IMEI number, which you can get by going to the dialer of the phone and dialing *#06#. This will give you the 15-digit IMEI. So now that we have the IMEI number of the phone, we will go on the computer and open the internet browser to go to TechMajesty.com. Once we are on this website, we will place an order to unlock our Samsung phone. We will choose the Samsung Galaxy S20 since that's the phone we're unlocking today. Then you will go ahead and choose the carrier your phone is locked to. After you choose your carrier, you will enter the 15-digit IMEI number that we got in the beginning of the video. Then you will click on the Add to Cart button to go through the checkout process to complete your order. Once you complete the checkout, you'll receive an email informing you that we are ready to begin the unlocking process for your phone. The email will look like this and say Order Enclosed. The email will contain a download link to the USB redirector, which is basically a software our technicians will use to access your Samsung phone and complete the unlock. The email will also contain a link to our live chat where our technician will be with you during the entire unlock process. The whole process will only take about 5 to 10 minutes for our technicians to finish unlocking your phone. All you have to do is plug in your phone to the computer and we take care of the rest. So this is the USB redirector software I was talking about earlier. The first step will be where our technician will ask you to plug in your phone to the computer using the USB cable. Then step 2 and 3 will involve the technician working on your phone's unlock. Then the final and fourth step will be your phone being permanently factory unlocked. Now that the phone is unlocked, you can restore, upgrade, or do anything else to the phone, and the phone will remain unlocked. Now that the phone is unlocked, I'll insert my AT&T SIM card into the phone and show you that it's working. Here's the AT&T SIM card. As you can see, AT&T is listed at the top left-hand corner of the screen, so that means the unlock worked perfectly. So guys, it's as simple as that to unlock your Samsung phone and to start using it with any GSM carrier of your choice in the US or internationally. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below, and don't forget to subscribe if this video helped you. Thank you so much for watching.